Well, on to the weather now. And part of the reason Paul Crush wasn't feeling too good is how cool our sea temperatures are. But how are they doing at the moment?
Well, they are, Alex, between around 9 and 10 degrees, so a lot colder than Port La Crush is used to, I'm sure. But just wanted to give a bit of an update. If you've noticed in our sea temperature figure that we give, and that's due to the fact that the sea temperature logger that measures this has had a fault. We can't get that most up-to-date reading, and we are using other forecasting methods that the team at Jersey Met are looking at to decipher this sea temperature. The good news is they're working to fix that, so we should have that most up-to-date info back for you soon. And the other thing I wanted to draw your attention to is the tide times. Tomorrow morning, there's also a yellow tide warning. There could be some waves spilling over the seawalls, especially on southern coast. So if you are someone who likes to maybe cycle along the path of the avenue on the way to work, could be some waves, could be a little bit dangerous with that tomorrow.
And we can't let you go without talking about that spectacular Northern Lights display last night. Yeah. Wasn't it amazing?
Absolutely fantastic. Lots of lovely pictures sent in. And if you're wondering what causes it, it's basically the sun sends out particles when we have a geomagnetic storm. This collides with the Earth's magnetic field and the gases react to make some fantastic colours. And actually, we've got some of those lovely pictures to show you now. Oh, well, some fantastic pictures there. Did you see it at all?
I missed it myself.
I first saw it on social media. I saw dozens of pictures,
there were lots
and
of pictures,
I leapt out
there?
of my bedroom, tried to look out the window. I saw a little bit of a red hue, but I didn't get, like, some of those pictures are amazing.
Well, it could be a little while. They say normally about once or twice a year at this point in the solar cycle we can see it, but the forecast for the next few days in terms of solar activity isn't so good, and it's quite cloudy tonight as well. So hopefully you saw it last night, but let's get all the weather details now. Well, after the beautiful bright colours last night from the aurora activity, today it has been a breezy weather picture. Strong winds, gusts of 45 to 50 miles an hour. And actually, as we head into tomorrow, well, the windy theme is continuing. Again, those strong winds around 4.6 to 4.7. Tomorrow, though, less of the brightness, cloudy from the outset and more wet weather throughout the day. Once we get through that, the winds will moderate slightly, but later this week it is still a picture of sunshine and of showers, so quite an unsettled theme. And there is, of course, a wind warning still in place. It's an orange warning due to those strong winds as we head through tomorrow. So back to you tonight. Actually, the winds will moderate for a time, likely when most of us are asleep. And we've got rain to start, clearing to a showery picture as we approach dawn. The winds, actually, by the time we reach dawn, will ramp back up again to set the theme tomorrow for another windy day. So tomorrow we will have those winds, strong 4.6 to 4.7 from the south. Rainy conditions from the outset, persistent and heavy at times, and a cloudy picture. As we head into the afternoon, staying windy, staying cloudy, perhaps the rain will ease off just for a time, but still wet weather a threat throughout the day, and we are looking at temperatures of 10-degree maximums across the islands. Let's check on those times of high water now, between 8 and 9 in the morning, later on between 8 and 9 p.m. So we move through the week, we're still dominated by low pressure, and that means it is going to be staying unsettled. We can see that when we take a look at the outlook. So some strong winds tomorrow, they'll be moderating slightly, but still a picture of sunshine and showers to come for the next few days.